Welcome gentlemen to this quick tutorial of how to upload tests, quizzes and examination. Today I am going to demonstrate how to upload your first quiz 1. So we are in our college site here and I am going to log in to Blackboard. So it takes to me my Blackboard account. You can see here this is my name, you can see the displayed, and in this you go to this menu, courses, my institution, go to courses. These are the courses you are teaching and it displays all the courses that you teach. I already uploaded to my section 6 of English 3. Now I am going to demonstrate to you for my another section, that is section 39. So click here. It will take you, you can see here, it will take you to your respective section. In my case it is English 3 Theoretical 39. And come down here, you can see build content, assessments, tools and partner content. Come to the second one, assessments. In assessments there are sub-menu test, survey, assignment. You are supposed to click assignment. Let me repeat once again. The second menu, assessments. In assessments menu, come to assignment sub-menu. Click here. It takes you to the assignment menu. You can see create assignment and come down assignment information. You are going to supply all the information for your quiz 1. The first thing, important thing that you have to put is name and color. You have nothing to do with the color. Just give a name. The name is your course code ELC 103 quiz 1. Come down instructions. Normally whenever you conduct a test you can give your instructions, but in this case today for quiz 1 we have provided you all the instructions and question paper in PDF and the answer sheet in Word document. Everything is available. What I have done, I have put all together into a folder in my desktop. So it is a desktop folder here. Just I click the folder here. It opens the 3 documents that we sent to you. The first one is the instructions for the students how to appear for this quiz 1. The second one is the answer sheet the students will be using for the question paper. The third one, this is the question paper for the student. So I am opening the instructions because we have to give the instructions. We have to put it there in the Blackboard. Just place your cursor here. Just drag down and copy it. You can copy it in 2 ways. I hope you know that. Go here and copy. Click here, or what you can do, shortcut key Control C. Now it is copied. Go to your Blackboard, to the browser. Here I am in Blackboard now. Just paste it. So the shortcut for paste is Control V. It's done. You can see here, starting from instruction for students to all the information that we want to copy and paste is already here, and the instructions are done. What is next? We have to put the question paper for the student. So for that, attach files. In attach files menu, browse my computer and come. This is the question paper quiz 1 questions and add it. It's added. Now we have to add our answer sheet for the students to write the answer. Again, attach files, browse my computer, and this one. Done. So instructions are done and we have put the question paper for the student and the answer sheet they will be answering for the question paper. All the 3 are done. Come down, due dates, you don't need to worry about that. It's not that much important. And come down, points possible, put 10 points. And come down, submission details, click here. It opens up. We are in submission details menu and by default it is individual submission, it is there. And come down, the second one is number of attempts. You can see here by default it is single attempt. Single attempt means the student will be able to attempt only one time. So let us make it multiple, and when you click multiple, it opens this box. How many times it will ask? Maximum attempts 3. So give 3. And come down, the plagiarism tools, check mark this one, plagiarism tool. Okay, so if you tick mark this, it will check automatically for any plagiarism or cheating done by the student. And come down, if you allow students, they can view the report of whatever the attempts they did. So you can check mark if you want. And come down here, this is the most important thing, very important, availability. I mean, when the quiz or test or examination will be available to the students. So here, limit availability. We are giving 24 hours starting from midnight tonight. So you click the calendar here, select the date. Our prescribed date for the quiz is 22nd Tuesday. It's already selected here. You can see, select the time, select the midnight. Let me repeat. Tuesday, that is today's midnight, and we mentioned midnight, it automatically places 12 a.m. and display until. Click the date here, again Tuesday 22nd, and automatically it puts the time 11:59 because the maximum time possible in a day is 24 hours. It automatically done. So please be careful with the date. 22nd, that is Tuesday, you have to put midnight, and until I have put the date. That's it. And you click submit. It's done. We have done what we have to. And scroll down, you can see it will display here. So these are the items I already put for the students. You can see here ELC 103 quiz 1, it appears here. It won't appear now because we have put the specific time. So it says 22nd September and it will appear at 12 a.m. Okay, so everything is done. You can see the question paper is there and the answer sheet there. All the instructions are there for the students. Everything is perfect. It will appear exactly at 12 a.m. So this is how to create a quiz or test or examination for your purpose through assessments and assignment menu. So that's it. I hope everything is clear to you, and I wish you all the best and good luck. Have a great evening and good night.